So we have a clean and fresh. We have a clean and fresh. Like it's winter. M&M.
Like it's winter. M&M, queen for the pizza. Oh yeah.
We tell Dirty at Hush Your Bake. We fight for this. When we talk
to do. Hey, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss you back. Oh, this pan of stuff I never see it.
What?
This
Tread. Well, I know what this near is. Well.
something in my ears? See Stefan in a ramp with
Me
me.
not ramping, see your ears. Come on, man.
What up, vlog world?
What up?
I don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building.
And Punky around here.
Yo! How about the damn?
Yeah, long time me not see camera, you know. Long time.
We have a clean and fresh. We have a clean and fresh.
No, man.
What?
I'm not ready.
So guys, I'm currently on my way in town. Punky, pull up my clothes. Pull up my blouse. We have a clean and fresh. I'm about to go chill with my friends. You don't know we roll deep. I'm making her come for a shop, Punky. Hmm? Wait there, she knows I shop that. You say?
I'll see me there.
Yeah, follow me go take taxi, don't?
Me can't come.
Punky can't thief and nobody now go down there. If nobody go pass it, they say you go no. You understand? Eh? You understand, sir?
Kevin them.
You walk on the road, watch. You think you have sitting there, express service. Forward now. Right up.
Me can't
Come get mommy here. Are you a walker? Come on.
So what you think? Me come with you, come
You follow me go right there in and come on over this. Carry this. Talk to you vlog.
He pass.
No.
Yeah, that I stall up there, so my mother up there said well, I did my bunting not well up.
Ninja bun. And bunting not in my ninja bun.
Same thing. Jealousy. I forget that.
M&S.
M&S. We have a clean and fresh. We have a clean and fresh.
Stephanie, I need you to do the outfit of the day for me. Turn around the camera, get it done. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, guys, who love me again? Monica Zit. Anyways, that was the outfit of the day. Ever clean and fresh. Come on, babes.
I'm not come.
Babes. Me fi see you now. I promise him to help him go on trip.
They have in a bag there?
Yeah. Looking nice like. How much money in this? Put it. How much money that?
200.
Put back it 2 base. Give him that. Okay. Or your pants zip up, man. I think you can catch me.
Catch her door.
No, I'm going now.
When I come down there, you're gone.
Me did gone on my bed?
Like you have to say,
Listen. Me give Punky for you.
okay.
You hear me a rush? Me a go somewhere.
Yo,
Me don't know why secrecy for. No, so me don't come. Me have work. Vanny, me say me have go with somebody a wait for me. So when me a go, me can't come anyways. Yo. My panty showing? Yo. Thank you. Alright, later. So guys, heading to town now. You don't know. My viral later and be things. Everybody wait for me already and stuff. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to vlog because night I come down and where I am going to be is gonna be dark. So yeah, so what I decided to do is like for the entire week from Monday to Friday I try and vlog, then on the Monday I give you guys a long vlog. If you like that or you think that is good, comment below and tell me what you think about it, if you think it's a good concept or what. I'm gonna get a little bit longer vlog once per week. That me can manage because me have school and me have work. I don't know how we roll deep. So yeah, we are always trying to do something that works. You know, we try this something and in our work, we try something else. You understand? So guys, I just want to thank you for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. I really appreciate it, guys. And success ahead, guys. So stay positive. The tip of the day today is one dog come. The tip of the day today is you attract what you think about, right? So what's your dog, the man? You attract what you think about. And we as human beings, we are programmed to think negatively. It's something that I've noticed even with myself, and I'm trying to, you know, put a lid on it. I'm trying to control my thoughts because your thoughts is what really you attract to you. So guys, we love me, man. So guys, control your thoughts, and the more you are aware of that, the more you are aware of what you think about. You know, we roll. So guys, later, and thanks for stopping by. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, show the love. Walk you just on, dog. Later.